Stephanie here from Prestige Equestrian. Today we're going to be talking about comparing the tree points of a saddle to the area behind your horse's shoulder to ensure that they're parallel and the saddle fits correctly. Measuring across the front of the panel of the saddle is an incorrect way of getting a measurement of the gullet size of the saddle, because in fact it's got to go from tree point to tree point, and it depends on the thickness of the panel as to what measurement you get, because the panel angle is not always the same as the angle of the tree points, and it's also dependent on the thickness of the panel. So if the panel's thicker, the measurement will be smaller. So first of all, we place the saddle in the correct position. The point of the tree of the saddle is actually here. So we look behind the shoulder where the tree point is, and we see that in this case, a well-fitting saddle, it is parallel to the area behind the shoulder. In that way, it cannot pinch. Many people confuse the panel of the saddle, or the angle of the panel of the saddle, for the angle of the tree point. It's not a weight-bearing area of the tree of the saddle, and quite often people confuse the tightness there with it being too tight on the horse. But in fact, as you can see, it's completely movable. So to measure the correct gullet size of your horse, we place the saddle on and make a mark down from the pommel of the saddle when it's sitting in the correct position. This is approximately 3 fingers behind the horse's shoulder. So we use this special tool to get the exact measurement. Press it firmly against the horse's wither to gain the correct shape, and then this is traced onto our page. We give an A point and a B point, and we measure across these points to get an accurate measurement. And this is the way Prestige take their measurements to gain the correct gullet measurement for the saddle. With Prestige saddles, we can offer different flat projections. So for a taller femur, longer femur, or a taller person, we offer a more forward cut flap in +2 centimetres or +4 centimetres. So that can be custom made for the rider. And also the panel of the saddle, nice and short for the modern horse that we breed these days.